Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open websites in desktop site view in Samsung DeX mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you go to, like, for example, Google Chrome and open any website, I'll just go through the Google Chrome setup as always. Let's just go through that. No thanks. And then let's click on more. Got it. Okay. And now if you go to any website, like let's search for whatever, Samsung Z Fold, you can see that it opens in this sort of mobile view, but being stretched. I'll show you that once I reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see that now it is fine, but it's probably because I have no, it doesn't look fine. You can see it's weird. It is pretty weird right now, and it's not like how it should be. You know, everything looks pretty inaccurate. And that's because it has been opened in the mobile view. And to switch to the desktop view, you can either click on three dots in top right corner of Google Chrome to select desktop site. You can see now it looks much better. Then you can also set Google Chrome to always open websites in desktop site view, but it doesn't always work. It works most of the times, but not always. So if it doesn't, then you can disable and enable desktop site again, but I'll show you how to enable the permanent desktop site view. So go to settings after clicking on the three dots in top right corner, then go to site settings and scroll down until you find desktop site. Now you can enable it, then go back, and now if you go to any website, it will open in this desktop view. But if you're looking for a solution that will always work fine without it being sometimes in mobile, even if it's set to permanently the desktop mode, if you want a better solution, it's just using the Samsung internet. This is the Samsung browser. You can see it has this planet here. This is where you can find it. You can also download it if you don't have it. And I think it's better for the DeX mode because it just knows that DeX mode exists and works much better with that. You can see this is the desktop website, not the mobile website of Google. So if I search for Samsung, just search for Samsung, yeah, you can see it opens in the desktop website immediately and always opens like that. And if you move back to your phone, if you open a new website on your phone, then it'll open in mobile, if in mobile version, if you just have it unplugged from the DeX mode. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.